Oh, it is bloody windy today, nice and sunny, but very windy. It's a struggle getting down here. The seafront back in town was awful. Here was pretty bad, not quite as bad as the seafront. I had a little bit of respite from the wind from these bushes here along the dunes, but I thought before I head up the hill there, see the cows, goats and sheep, grab myself a little Earl Grey tea from the tea room behind me there. Never been in there, cozy little place. I'm pretty sure I was the last customer before he just took down a flag there. But yeah, you can't get wrong with a bit of Earl Grey tea. I spilled half of it, if you can see there, trying to get up the little embankment behind me from the roadside. But I'm gonna sit and drink a bit of this. So the lovely flowers there. Oh, there's actually a Coke bottle there as well. So I'll take that with me to the bin when I head off that way towards the hill. There's one sort of back there, but I'm not going to go all the way back there just to, you know, stick a rubbish bottle in the bin. I'll take it with me. Anyway, I'm going to get on, drink a bit of this, get onto the hill. I'll see you at the cows because I don't want to sit in this for too long. Just finished my lovely cup of Earl Grey tea. Even though it wasn't tea, I'm going to call this the coffee cup challenge just because I like alliteration and it has a bit of ring to it. So we're going to take off the lid, store that securely in my pocket, because it is a plastic lid unfortunately. But we're going to grab as many things as we can along the way to see my farmyard friends up the hill there. First things first, we have a loose dog poop bag, which will fit in there with a bit of jiggling around. And as always, I'd like to ask everyone watching to please pick up just one piece of litter. It could be as simple as that, or a little bit more that I've just spotted over here. If everyone did that, it takes 2 seconds and the world would be so much cleaner and safer in no time at all for the wonderful wildlife of the world, our lovely pets, our farmyard friends, and of course for us silly humans as well. I'm gonna have to put my bloody Crocs back on now, so I've got no hands to carry on with. I upgraded my coffee cup. Haha. I was out here on this lovely windy day doing the coffee cup challenge, filling the coffee cup with litter and taking it to the bin, but excuse me, I upgraded my coffee cup. I found a bigger one. And so, as always, I'd like to ask everyone watching to please pick up just one piece of litter. Could be as simple as what you see in there, or a little bit more, a little bit less. If everyone did that, it takes 2 seconds, the world would be so much cleaner and safer in no time at all for the wonderful wildlife of the world, our lovely pets, and of course for us silly humans as well. Spotted a very annoying piece of litter, and I don't think I'm going to be able to grab it. So amongst all these storms, you can probably see it there. It looks like a balloon, I'd imagine. Here's something I can grab. A little wrapper of some kind. Yeah, no chance I'm fighting my... Well, no chance I'm fighting my way through here. Let me put this somewhere. Hopefully it won't blow away. Yeah, not a chance. Something big there, but unfortunately that's going to have to stay. That's super annoying. Definitely no angle I could get that from without getting torn to shreds. maybe another day, but it'll likely stay there a while before blowing off. Probably into the sea. Taking my time to get up there today. I'm doing a litter pick along the way. Started with the empty teacup, filling it up, and then I found this bucket. I upgraded to this. We're not going to find nearly enough to fill it, thankfully, but there's a ton buried amongst the grass here. There's a balloon I can't get over there, buried in the thorns. My hands are so dry, I don't know how I did that to the finger there. It's literally just from it being dry, I've not cut it or anything. This hand is the worst one, but yeah, we're almost there. Could go on all day trying to grab the little bits. There's just so many of them. Really piss me off. Look at it, it's tiny little bits of plastic and all sorts. Okay, we got a few things here. Burned out tyre, a couple of bottles and cans and things, which makes sense. We're closest to the sort of car park area. I suppose you get the least traffic over there, but yeah, it sucks to see. I just take this whole thing over quickly, come back with the bike and the bucket. Oh, bloody people, eh? Don't want to forget that. And I just chuck it there. It's slightly wet, it shouldn't blow away. There's actually a nice bit, I mean there's little bits here as well to grab anyway, but yeah, why have people got to do this? I don't get it. It's a bottle there. We're almost like farmyard friends. Wasted so much camera battery and storage on this, but I haven't done a proper cleanup for a while, so this sort of counts. It's not a massive one, but it's a fair bit. Right, I'll leave that there for a minute. Probably should have thought about that, but you can wash that off, that's no problem. We'll make do with a dirty hand for now. Oh, lovely bit of dog poo just there. Nice. At least they haven't bagged it, I suppose. Anyway, let's get back over to me bucket and me bike. Grab some things on the way back, I suppose. Saves grabbing them coming back this way a second time. Forgive the sniffle there. Very windy today. Little bits of plastic. And then there's going to be tons of little pieces in amongst all this driftwood and dry grass. Surprised I haven't found more. It's all buried amongst all the stupidly long grass, which sucks, but yeah. Right, get in there. Try and touch it as little as possible. I mean, we touched it anyway, but you know. I'm not going to bother trying to dig for all these things. I think I've just pushed it further in. I will grab that piece because I have sort of, you know, kind of touched it. There we go, but I'm not going to dig around for everything. We'll just grab some of the more obvious bits. See that tyre? All this stuff inside it, like, ugh. Really do hate people. Can't stand them. This isn't going to be a perfect job. I'm going to grab that much because that is sort of spiky. I'd be surprised if I haven't just stabbed me thumb. I don't think I have. Those injuries are just from dry. Hello, Bumblebee. Second one of the day. You guys are crazy today. Good luck to you. Stay safe. Yeah, again, you know, there's still bits there. If I had gloves or something, I'd be more thorough. But for now, that's the best I'm going to do, I reckon. Ah, brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Of all the days to not bring gloves and or hand sanitizer. Oh well, I'll disinfect when I get home, and fingers crossed don't get any sort of serious stuff from this, but it is what it is. At the end of the day, I suppose it is my fault somewhat, but if people didn't do this kind of stuff, then you know, I don't know, whatever. Right, that's that for now. Bin is just over there. I'll take a cut because yeah, I want to save some battery for the animals. I'll see you over there. We'll start it again here. Found a bottle cap. Right, 2 trips. What's this? I'm going to assume that's from that car. Either way, coming over to the bin with us. Oh dear, bloody hell. Oh, that went well, didn't it? Brilliant. Whatever. Again, sorry about the sniffles. I would use a tissue, but obviously... Oh, that probably wasn't smart either, was it? I don't know. Yeah, bike now. There we go then. Luminos will be one clean hand. Got the bike up, now we just got to clean up this for a second time and get it over to the bin. I suppose this time we can stick all this nasty car tyre wire stuff. Car tyre wire, I like that. I don't like this itself, but tyre wire is quite fun to say. I've probably done more damage than good, because I'm definitely going to miss a couple of bits here, but shove that down in there. Grab as many of them as I can since I did spill them. It's only right. Oh, there's a nail. Did I pick that up and spit it out, or did it? Was it just? Oh no. Oh, for fuck's sake, people! What's that about then? Look at that. Tons of old rusty nail. Bloody hell! That definitely wasn't me. I've not picked up any that I'm aware of, and I've picked up nothing that would have contained them. So, I mean, unless they were from the tyre, actually, I guess. Yeah, what? No, why would there be nails in a tyre? No, there's not nails in a tyre. What am I on about, Connor? Look at them all, there's tons of them. They've been here a while, it would seem, unless they were rusty when they were dumped. Maybe that's why they were dumped, I don't know. I'm not going to speculate, let's just pick them up. Ugh. Come out and see the cows on a windy day. Not even got to the bloody cows, and I'm exhausted. I'm dirty, ugh. Look, they're everywhere. Oh, look. Bloody hell. Some of them are buried in, which is annoying. But I have no battery. The animals at this rate. They've been here a while, some of these. They're super buried in. That's just absolutely, look at them, look. They can, I think they stop there, just about. That's absolutely ridiculous. That's so nasty. Cats, dogs, deer, foxes, badger, you know, not to mention other people. But look at it all. Absolutely appalling behaviour. It's gonna take a while to get all these. How much battery have we got? I'm gonna take a cut. I'm gonna get the rest of these, and then I'll get back to you. Right, I think that is the majority of them. I mean, look how many there are there. I really, have I said how much I hate people before? I really cannot freaking stand people. I'm definitely going to miss loads of, yeah, that is, I mean, what an absolute cunt. Cunt is a very, very weak word for whoever did this, but that's what I'm going with right now. I'm not even going to bother to bleep it, mostly because I'm going to be too lazy by the time I eventually get around to editing this video. But also, it's just what they are, it's only right. But, you know, that's most of them. There's still loads around. There's like staples as well, as you can see there. A few of those I found. It's a lot better than it was. My back is buggered though now. So, that's brilliant. Let's grab this before it blows away. Bloody hell. There we go. Get this over to the bin. If I'm lucky, maybe someone will be by their car in a second, and I can see if they've maybe got any hand sanitizer that I could not borrow, but, you know, use. I don't think anyone's about. So one drove off just as I got my bike up the wall. Don't want to be. There's maybe a van open there with his door. We'll see. But I don't know where I can put this that it's not going to blow away. I guess like there, because it'll at least blow sort of the bucket to the wind. I don't know. I mean, that's what I'm working with right now. So considering what we just picked up, it's not looking too bad, that hand. I mean, we've still got to get the tyre over to the bin, but yeah. I mean, there's no real good place to grab that, is there? So, there we go. There's a man coming along. I won't bother him, I'll just deal with it, I suppose. Is it going to be smart to put this in the bucket in the top? Maybe. Probably not. It might. Nah, it's going to fall out, isn't it, if I do that? I'll leave it there. I don't know. That is going to have to do. So that was that. As always, if everyone watching could just pick up one piece of litter, don't do that. That's stupid. Not with your bare hands, anyway. But if everyone picked up just one piece, it takes 2 seconds. If everyone did that, the world would be so much cleaner and safer in no time at all. For the wonderful wildlife, the world, our lovely pets, and of course us silly humans as well. And that's the first piece of litter we got today. Almost forgot about that. We'll stick that straight in the bin. Come on, bike. Sorry to have plonked you there for so long, but duty called. That's a very nice beard on that man there. Hi there. You going down to the beach there? I've just cleaned up a load of nails. Most of them are gone. There might be 1 or 2 left there though, so just be careful. Just literally as you go down onto the wall there.
All right, brilliant. Thank you very much.
That's all right. There we go. Suppose we'll get these bits of crap as well. And you know what? Now I'm leaving them for now. I should pick them up. I mean, I've got a day. We'll grab them on the way down. They're not going anywhere. It's fine. I want to get up and see the cows. Decided I would bother somebody in the car quickly. Gave me some wet wipes, so I cleaned off my hand a little bit. We'll grab this litter as well with the remaining ones. There we go. Rain is just starting to come in. There's a few drops in the air here. So we'll get up and see the cows and the animals quickly, and then we'll get on back.